Hey guys, are you looking to start making money online? If so, this video is for you. Just a very quick disclaimer before we get into it. I'm not trying to sell you anything. There's not going to be a sponsor. There's not going to be some sort of course you have to buy at the end. Everything you see in my dropshipping series will be for free. Today, I'm going to share with you what I'm doing to make a six-figure income online and how you can do it too. So guys, I've been doing dropshipping for the past 2 years and it has allowed me to quit my job and live the life that I've always wanted. This is the first episode in my dropshipping series and I plan to teach you everything you need to know so that you can start doing dropshipping too. First, what's dropshipping and how does it work? Basically, dropshipping works like this. You have a supplier that sells you a product at a cheaper wholesale price. You then sell this product on your own website with a markup to make profit. You then place your customer's order with your supplier. Your supplier will then ship this product to your customer while you pocket the profit. How good is that? Dropshipping is amazing because it allows you to run a business without having any stock and the overheads are minimal. So why would someone want to do dropshipping? Let's go through the benefits real quick. As a business model, it's relatively easy to set up and the overheads are extremely low. You can be your own boss. You can work whenever you want, as much as you want. You can quit your 9-to-5 grind and gain a huge amount of freedom. You can eventually employ people to run your business for you while you reap all the benefits. At this stage, you're probably asking yourself, is this something I can do and what skills will I need? So let's jump into that. So if you're gonna do this yourself, here are some of the skills that you will need. So number 1, web design and development. If this skill is something you don't have, you can always outsource this to someone else or learn it yourself. Number 2, marketing and advertising. I personally use Google Ads. I've had the best success with this platform and now I use nothing else. If this is something that you're not familiar with or not willing to learn, you can also outsource this part as well. 3, content writing. You'll need this skill to write content for your website and your product pages. Again, this can be outsourced. 4, customer support. You'll need to have the patience to deal with customer inquiries and complaints. If this is something you don't want to do, you can do what I do and outsource this part completely to a virtual assistant. 5, bookkeeping. This is very important because you don't want to be spending more than you're bringing in. You'll also have to keep tax records and do proper financial reporting so that you know exactly how much money you're making. For me, I already had all these skills as I'm a designer and web developer by trade. The rest of these skills I learned on the job with employers or through running my own web design business. However, I do believe that these skills can be self-taught and YouTube is a great avenue to explore this. Or you can outsource the majority of these tasks. Look, it's not all smooth sailing. A lot of people who try dropshipping get caught out by a few problems that are specific to dropshipping. Shipping time. You're probably going to be using suppliers that ship from China. And sometimes this can take a while. And if customers aren't made aware of this, it can lead to a lot of complaints. But don't worry, because in this series, I'm going to teach you how to combat this issue. And disputes. You're going to receive them and it could be a lot. The key is to provide good customer service so that you can prevent this from happening. Failing that, I have a strategy that I use that almost always helps me win PayPal cases. In this series, I'm going to give you my templates that I use so that you can start winning your disputes too. So now that you know a bit more about dropshipping, do you think it's hard? Do I think it's hard? Well, it all comes down to this: time, dedication, perseverance, and the willingness to learn. If dropshipping was easy, every man and his dog would be doing it. In my opinion, it's not hard. It just takes time and you have to have the drive to see it through. Like all things in life, nothing worth having comes easy. So what do you think? Are you ready to start your own dropshipping business? Do Do you want to learn more about it? Keep watching and I'll see you in episode 2. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned something new, or if you want to keep watching, please consider supporting my channel by hitting the subscribe button below and liking this video. By doing this, more people like you can benefit from the free content that I'm giving away. Again, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.